Good morning, students. P.L.K. Tripathi here. Dear children, we shall discuss about Geography, Chapter 10. The topic is Transport and Communication. The transport and communication system of India connect the country from urban areas to the rural areas, even up to the remote areas also. The government is trying to connect all these modern facilities from there to others. So this chapter will enable us about the transport and communication broadly. So better for us to discuss it carefully. Transport. Humans have always tried to find easier and faster means of moving goods and people from one place to another, that is, traveling. Before the wheel was discovered, some 5,000 years ago, human beings carried loads themselves and moved on foot. In early days, means about 5,000 years ago, there was no facilities of transport. There was no means of transport available before the discovery of wheel. After wheel was discovered, human beings carried loads themselves and moved on foot. मनुष्य जो है व्हील के ऊपर जो है लोड्स को रख करके और एक जगह से दूसरी जगह पैदल मूव करने लगा. They use bark canoes and crude rafts to travel over water. When animals began to be domesticated, they replaced humans as pack carriers and also served as their vehicles. With the discovery of the wheel in the Bronze Age, transportation underwent a major revolution. The invention of the steam engine in the 19th century gave a great boost to transport, making it a lot faster. The strong link between consumption and production areas aids in redistributing the benefits of development. At present, all forms of transport are easily accessible, thus serving as a means of all round development. The four major forms of transportation are roadways, railways, waterways, and airways. Roads are often regarded as arteries of development. They connect cities, towns, and villages with the help of automobiles. Narrow country of village roads, known as lanes, are usually on surface or on metal or mud roads, while bigger roads that connect parts of a town or city are usually surfaced or metal. Roads in urban areas are mostly metal. A sound network of roads facilitates trade via movement of raw materials to industrial towns and finished goods to the markets. Compared to other forms of transport, roads have certain distinct advantages. They are easier and cheaper to build and maintain. Roads provide the door to door service, flexibility, and act as feeder to the all other forms of transport. An extremely efficient form of transport over short distances. Roads can be laid in mountainous, hilly, and desert terrains. In spite of all these advantages, roadways are less efficient in terms of quick transportation over long distance and rough terrain. Movement of bulky cargo in large quantities is also not the easiest and cheapest by road. Besides traffic jams, rising fuel prices and frequent road accidents are recurrent problems while traveling by road. Modern highways facilitate fast movement of traffic in both directions. They may vary from 6 to 8 lanes and are known by different names in various parts of the world. For instance, motorways in United Kingdom, autobahns in Germany, freeways in USA, etc. Transcontinental roads, which link different parts of various countries within a continent, are also prominent. For instance, the Trans-East African Highway, which runs between Cairo and Cape Town, and the Trans-Canadian Highway from Vancouver to St. John's, Newfoundland, etc. Railways, starting from the coal steam engine to the sky rail and the monorail to the underground metros, rail travel has made important technological developments. Modern trains, especially those that run on diesel and electricity, travel at a high speed and can carry huge volume of goods. Railways transport people in passenger trains and the freight or goods trains carry heavy raw materials and finished goods in bulk over long distances in a relatively shorter period of time. They are also seen as a cheaper mode of transport as compared to roadways and airways. However, railways require high investment to build and maintain. A rugged topography poses a hindrance to developing a good railway network. Door to door connectivity is also impossible in a railway network. So, up to here we have seen this chapter, this topic. Rest we shall discuss in the next video with the new topic. Till then, do your work properly, go through the instruction by the teacher, learn all the questions carefully, answer them, finish your fair copy, CW copy, and all the tasks as provided by the teacher. Note down all the facts of the chapter point wise in PC as well as in fair copy. We shall be meeting with new video next day. Till then, goodbye and thank you.